So today we're gonna be unboxing our 12-foot skeleton from Home Depot. We also have the light kit, so let's go. Is my hat big enough? Is that big enough? It's very cool. You can like do all sorts of things with it. Looks like I'm like got wings. So first things first, let's get the let's get the big box and put it in the yard. Wait, can you see it? I can't see anything over this hat. So I ditched the hat and we started unboxing. What shoe size do you think that is? I'm a 6, so. It's important to note that the good thing that Home Depot does is they give you the instructions for the skeleton on the box. And they also give you a QR code for the app and for instructions there. So you have a choice. I just want to let you know that we are not the best at this. We're going to try to do a good job. We're going to fail somewhere along the way, I can assure you. So look what we've got here, our big skeleton head. Isn't he lovely? We grouped everything by parts, and thankfully there's not too many. It's nothing compared to the witch that we did last year. Feet are first? Feet are first. And then we realized we needed to move the skeleton into position before completely setting him up. Over here, because the witch will be coming out of that way, so yeah. A little bit more. Okay, perfect. This part is simple, rods, and then the pieces fall into place. We had a little bit of difficulty with the legs, but that was just operator error. I'm getting halos in my vision, which means I could be getting a migraine very soon. This is unfortunate. You use the box to tilt the skeleton over to complete the setup from here. Since we're attaching the rib cage, it's a good time to bring out the lighting kit, since that's what it attaches to. There's a cord that goes through the rib cage and connects to the hip bone. The lighting kit attaches to the chest bone and faces the spine. It connects to the existing cables and is very simple to integrate. You'll see how Sean snaps it in here, right there, and then on the other end, there are 2 spring clasps.
You run those cables up around the neck and the collarbone, and it has clasps that you can attach to the body. Then it runs down the back of the skeleton. And that's where you attach those cables I showed you earlier. They include zip ties to zip tie the cables onto the spine. Or you can use batteries in the battery pack. The test button allows you to change the mode of the lighting kit. One of the last steps is a cable that extends from the base of 1 foot up around a loop on the back of the skeleton and onto the base of the skeleton behind the 2nd foot. And voila! We did it. All we had to do is stand them up, stake them down, and we're done. Now we just have to put out all of the rest of the Halloween decor outside. I'm definitely happy with the 12-foot skeleton, and I am really glad that we got the lighting kit because I think it makes such a huge difference. Now I just got to give him a name. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below if you have the 12-foot skeleton or what else you have from Home Depot. And have an amazing day, my spooky darling.